Excellent day for everyone. Today, July 15, I will present important information that is happening around the world about global climate event. My name is Miriam. We started. Planet Earth, the most complex thing in the universe, warmed and cooled by natural things, heated by greenhouse gases from humans. Some things are striving toward ill health. In the Pacific, for instance, the warming El Niño current is likely to bring floods where there is normally drought and drought where there's normally rain. Corals were bleached by the last big El Niño in 1998. The new El Niño will help the world, so will a separate climate even in the Pacific. But this will be offset somewhat by a cooling event in the Atlantic. There's big shifts at once. This is in the end of my presentation. Then my partner Mauricio will then share a brief note about.
Oh, Miriam, can you imagine how much damage we are occasioning to our planet? My name is Mauricio, and we continue with the news. And as we're talking about impact new around the world, what is gathering the technological world? Let's introduce the news artificial intelligence versus human. You're watching what Doctor describes as her news were most revolutionary advances in the history of surgery. Here, about Royal Mendes Hospital in London, consultant surgeon declined Cahill sent to visit with the robot, a blend of man and machine. He remains, though, very much in control. This tool, just like his capable or for sales, however, for more sophisticated. Artificial intelligence is different from hardware-based robot automation. Instead of automating manual tasks, artificial intelligence performs required high-volume computation tasks revealing and great fatigue. That is for today. We hope to see you next transmission of the news. Good morning. See you tomorrow.